Alright, so welcome back to the channel. If you guys have not subscribed as yet, please do so right now. We know that the subscriber count is going up. We are at what, 116 going to 120. So road to 120k subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and keep on watching and subscribe and share the content.
Papa,
Wagwan.
there, you know.
Yeah,
Okay,
man.
no, you promised me come find you.
You couldn't say morning. The first thing you asked, but me still remember, man. No worry. But here now, me know me promise you, Kane. But you see, this time I can't get no 5, me only can get 2 giant.
Jesus and peace, Papa. Look how long me and your friend. Look how long me beg you, kin. And 2 giant you can't give me. Make it answer.
You know, say you're unfair though. Look here now, look into this. Remember, say you have a man, you know. Remember, say when me are looking at want me, you know. You know, want me none tall, say me I get 2 giant off of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 piece, and me I get 2 out of it. Somebody else want 2 too. So you have to understand how it go. So you want the 2 piece of giant and you don't want it.
Of course, me want it.
You see how quick you want it? And when time me are looking, you don't want me. But, alright, let me get the knife. Every day, me used to, when time you used to young, and me carry you go to school, a security man now come get you. I never see them at the end of my life. Eh? And me used to protect you. So if you didn't want a security man, you couldn't tell me if you turn security and take me. But I turn security, you know. We notice a security get girls, but they always get bun. But you don't want to give you one bun, so you're really loyal.
Hello, left it there, so.
So
Because you grow my family little bit, so left it there, so.
yeah, but me I grow you because I want you. You think me a waste time grow if I don't want you? But anyway, still, in my waste time, because you should have breed long time. Because if you look upon you, my jeans, and I breed you. Something you know, say, in kind of, you know, make sure you not no gum.
You know, easy, you know, Papa.
That's how you go. When you can't get the grape, you say, we say it's sour. So, me not going to tell you about fear grape. Because, you know, you go. Because sometimes you don't get the grape, we say it's sour, but that's how you go still. You're nice and pretty, boy. I don't know what that the man they deserve. You might take care of it, though. He not cheat by you.
You know, say, me don't know, though. Me go on same way.
Oh, well, you know.
So, Papa, no me happy the cane for?
I'll tell you something. My mind change.
It's all good, man. Me I got me yard. Go cook my man dinner.
Bring piece of the breast. Miss Juliet. Yeah, man. I mean, a Popeye. I look up partner money me I call you about still, you know. Alright, send your son with it. Yeah, take $1,000 differently for yourself, different from the pot. Alright, thanks. Send it right now, you know. Right now. Alright. Want the partner money there.
Evening, Master Popeye.
No. Don't say Popeye. No, me not like the mask. It make me look like me old.
Alright then. Mother said forget the partner money.
All right.
Alright.
Yes. Long time. Long time I want my father money, you know.
Oi, Papa, no bother run. No bother run.
I don't run me around.
No, man,
I
come back.
this me account cup.
Come back, man. Come back,
This me
man. No
account
bother
cup.
run. No
This me
bother run.
account
No bother
cup.
run. No bother run.
This me take
Don't
up.
bother run.
I don't run me around, me say. And that me dey take up. If I clean, me I clean.
How long you owe me rent money? Around 7 months, you know, pay me no rent, you know. And the only reason why you're there so long is because me and your friend. I choose me and your friend make you there so long. I want me rent money. And matter of fact, look how you keep the place dirty. I want money so I can fix up the place. Look how the house are broke down. The yard now keep clean and me rent you. What you do? What you do, Papa? What you do? I want some money, man. I want some money right now.
John, listen to John. I know, you know, catch 7 months. I just tomorrow you go catch 7 months. They can't say 7 months. That's 6 and couple days. You only want 1 more day if you catch 7 months. Me don't really have it. Me broke. Me don't get no money and nothing. Taxi right now work. Everything locked down. No, I pay look riff raff. So instead of me I waste me gas up and down in our taxi work, you better me just sit down. Can't maintain it. Plus the rent. Just give me some time. Give me at least 5 more months. And me pay for you whole year.
Papa, me understand all the mumbo jumbo we are talking, you know. But me hear say you have much girl, you know. And me know say woman business not cheap. So, oh, you mind the woman the and can't pay rent. Me not understand. Explain to me. Explain to me how you have so much woman and you can't pay rent.
Let me teach you something, John. I style. Me just promise them. While them a do the spending in I mean, while I'm here, me I come with the money, them a spend for them money. I just say promise. It's just a style.
Oh, so I say you promise and trick me too. Like how you trick them. Me all hear say you in a Miss Judith partner, you know. Me hear say you in a Miss Judith partner. So, me not understand how people are say so much sitting by you and you can't pay rent. Me hear say you in a Miss Judith partner.
John, I like that. Once you get money, remember to taxi me, say nothing now, go on the road.
Alright, Papa, you are. Me not quarrel with you, now. Me and your friend. And we know each other too long. So, me not really want a friendship broke. So, you are. Just try if you even get the money from somebody if you borrow. And maybe check you back later and I do some
Later you check
yeah,
back?
me I go somewhere. Me I sitting for go do you now. So later and I do up, me come back and check you for your money.
As in later?
Later, Papa, me no more chatting. Later me come for my money.
Why? I'm not sleep at tonight, you know. I'm not sleep at tonight.
Well, I wish me never forgot work, you know. I stay home with you tonight, you know, babes.
I'm gonna miss you, you know.
How was it? What was a little quick piece?
Man, me not tell a lie. I best never have to do it more often.
I come in tomorrow, no, you go. There you go.
Yeah?
Anyways, come garden people working on me. Yeah, I'm coming in and get some more still, but I think I'm going to double tonight because the boss that tell me from yesterday say I feel the double.
Again, babes? So every night you have to do double?
Wish me I forgot this stupid work, you know. Anyways, later, yeah, man. Here. Alright. We shall get that. Get the air, babes?
Alright.
Alright, listen to me. Don't let nobody in. Close up the grill. Don't let nobody come in here after I'm gone. Alright? I'll see you tomorrow morning, alright?
Alright. Later, babe.
Okay, honey. Love you.
Love you too.
Popeye! How is could have locked the door and gone. Tell me, say this man I really style me. Yo, Popeye.
Yes, John.
Wait there. Me do right now, me there here wait for you know. Wait there.
You know, so me tell you the truth, John. Me there for Mandeville, you know.
Brother, you really gone all the way to Mandeville. Me tell you, say, me a come collect your rent money.
But John, me didn't know say they come so late, man.
Papa, brother, you have to cut out the foolishness, you know. You have to cut out the foolishness, man. No, me done plan and tell somebody, say, me a collect your money and then come take care of sitting in the morning. But me a go tell this somebody, say, no.
Weekend, John, when they come down.
Yo, come off my phone, yeah, man.
Care.
Oi! Oi!
Come here now.
Oh, yes, you're going now.
Your husband gonna hurt, not you?
Yeah, in their work.
Oh, big favor I want to ask you. You can let me in, please.
Alright, come in. Wait, ease up off that girl. Alright, come in.
Oh, you know, say, to tell you the truth, the key pop off in my door. And I can't go in the rest of the night. You can't just put me up for the night.
Boy, you know, say, do. Would make you sleep over here in the but I can't bother with the rumors. You go sleep over here, then they must say me a car man come over here and then you go back in my husband's ears.
Care nothing like that, man. A long time you're your friend. Plus your husband know that. We don't grow so. You can't follow people. People will confuse your brain. If you follow people, follow what your mind and your heart say. That's how they work off. If you help me, you help me. We can't sleep out of the door. You don't make your friend sleep out of the door.
I wouldn't make you sleep out the door. So come in.
Come on.
Right, you say you're asleep.
Why not in the bed?
You can't get room on one hall.
But we are friends. We can't sleep head and tail.
Right, you say you're asleep.
Alright, get one sheet. At least one sheet. I'm satisfied still. But I don't know, because I don't know what difference in the head and tail. Alright, go on for the sheet. At least the sheet.
She there.
So I know me and you are a real friend, you know. You know, we are friends. Good friend. You have a good friend.
Alright, anyways, good night.
Oh boy. Chill out. Slimas.
Yeah.
Oh God. Boy, every time one locksmith you want me do because you know I keep up off in there and things. Boy, Slimas, you know someone of mine if we could have get some breakfast. You know no breakfast one day.
Don't forget breakfast, I just wake.
Oh, that's true, that's still but I like you still, you know, from morning I study you do.
You know, some have my man already.
Oh. But not really bad with that. We can, you know, can up on the side. Like when we work at night.
No, and you need to hurry up and go on before you come.
Alright then. We'll link, yeah? Later.
Okay, bye.
Why go on, Ashley B?
What you do over Kerry yard?
I over them sleep last night.
You too lie.
God no. I mean, I do so, you see me?
Eh,
So you just make me sleep because you know my husband not do that at night time, so you need somebody to water the garden at night.
me no believe you. You too lie.
God no. You know me not tell lie pam pum pum.
So hold on. Me can't believe that the one day. The one day just hard to believe. You sure? You sure you say I in the yard they turn up all long? Stop tell lie. Tell me truth.
Me look like an eyeglass girl. When me tell her something, believe me. Long time, you know want to give me feel. She give me. She needs somebody in her garden to water her garden where you wait upon.
Well, my garden well water, yeah good.
You know, if you
Why?
fret, man, they will floody. It's like how to flood out.
Later.
All right, Ashley B. Yeah. Wagwan! Wagwan!
We are doing unnecessarily.
You don't know that my ear this too.
No, serious. We are doing, you look all happy. We are doing unnecessarily.
You know, say don't carry out me sleep.
Don't care?
You man, I'm here not sleep now.
No, come again.
No, for real. I'm here not sleep now. Get it. Me even-
They are going to accept me either. The girl have her man, you know.
Yo, me say, whether I have a man or I have a man, I'm here not sleep at night time, man. Work at night.
Say sleep over there last night?
Not only sleep, I'll sleep in her bed with her. Give her some of them. You see me?
Say you are going so happy. I don't believe her now, brother.
Yo, me say, brother.
Some man is over there?
No, but she wake me up time to go on before a man come. So I have to just hurry up, jump out of bed and, you know, come out, quick and fast.
Yo,
Hey,
how you so lucky, brother?
yo, me say, our property a gold.
She,
What you mean?
mm-hmm.
You waste time.
She said something. Say a word.
I might get to that, you know. You come on.
Do your thing, man. But there is a drink called one juice, man, isn't it?
All right, that's enough. And that's why kids them can't get the juice. Go and drink your vitamin.
Better than soda.
Cho.
What go on, care?
Morning.
What you going with?
Not going with nothing.
See, you can't give me some of your breakfast.
Oh, you can't beg so.
No, man. I really want breakfast still. You know, say you want still.
Why you and your friend Papa? I don't actually grow me, you know. I don't know so me have a man already.
It's cold, man. You know, say every woman always say a man with them like, you know. You see? So your man there?
You really ask me my man there? You know when you work already, you know say my security in the double and he not coming in yet.
Say, see it? That's what I come to know. Him gonna secure other people's place. So I'm not secure for him property, man.
No, so you can't secure this a property here. One man property this.
Watch nothing, man. You see her around still, yeah?
Alright, later.
Just go and take care of her good.
Okay.
Seems like everybody's breaking up, throwing their love away. Sing about it.
I'll go on.
Why for you know?
No, wait.
No, you know something just you love the last one. You know I'm glad to see you. And I know say one Popeye. Me see him come out.
I know exactly what you're going to tell me, you know. Can buck me up down the sun and tell me the same thing. About Kerry, don't
You know something I don't believe him?
I don't believe him neither, you know. But
One liar boy.
me no put nothing past no man nor no woman, you know. Is it?
Me put it past him and lie and tell him mix him want mix up him man and him man. Your woman married, you know? A married woman.
Okay.
You have your husband.
Remember saying, you know, when the man gone to work, you know, my security, you know, I feel one night that, you know where can go on over there.
Remember saying the dollar child for me, you know? And I spread rumors and I chat about this and that, you know?
So, tell me the truth now. Which man you try to fire? Where you talk, sir?
All that too, but not tell no lie.
See, all the nail almost dropped me. But anyways, I can't go down and now. Because I did tell one they say, I do double and I cover for somebody. So, I wonder how I'm not reaching it, but I can't go down here.
I'm in the business with that young man, you know. So give me a thing before you go, you know.
Babes, what's your man? Stop going like you don't know this, you know this, you know see a fortnightly I get paid. I'm not get paid yet. But I'm slightly good to you know.
I feel style that too, you know. But now you say, you have to come hurry up and go. Because my man gone from last night and saying Sue come in. So, hurry up and go on.
Alright, so we shall get it here. Alright, sister, alright, we should
Yeah, man, brother.
prayer meeting later, alright? Prayer meeting later.
Alright.
Shaka!
Yo!
Forward!
How which breeze blow you? You pop on me yard, so.
You know hear Wagwan?
Wagwan.
Popeye. They with care. I'll breed him thing.
What you say?
What me I say? Say you know hear enough information touring nothing so saguron.
Remember say, you know, me not too go nowhere, you know. So, I know me house me there. So, me not too go nowhere, so me not hear nothing. So, what you say? In breed the girl?
Yes! Good breed. Good breeding.
No, so.
Hey, you know say I want a wicked boy and he should do that. All of us got tumble down upon him. Gone in a married people relationship. All the girl work list too.
Hey, that's why I say, oh, me no want nothing to do with no married man. Because I no want no destruction come fall for me.
He having good husband. The man nice.
And the man love him, you know. Me never hear so that the man they give him bonnet.
Can I say?
A wicked girl that man. My God. Thanks for your update still. If I never you know a thing.
Okay. Me
Yeah.
a cut. If me hear nothing more, you will know.
Yeah, man. My God. Then girl are easy, sir.
You need to fix one nice little pavement. So
Yeah, man. Me I work panny. So me I put up something there already.
All right.
Yeah man, what up man? Bombat!
How go, man?
Yeah, go on with.
There, man.
Think now man, where you come from?
There, moving. I want split and go get them forward.
So give me peace now.
I want a little 50 bag, man. I want a little, see them bill a piece and I want a little be in the piece left. You see?
Jaja. And I hope me I come in from tired to you know man, because last night I do double extra shift last night.
Say if you're just tired and do so much shift, you know, it's a rest if you go home, man. Go all asleep, man.
Yo, that me I go in go do you know for
You
3
know, say I got that me go do to car. Last night, me up have to stay over star, stay over on a base. You know, wait upon some things. You see me right now, I'm tired youth. Me not sleep, me not even sleep. Yo, so we link up, man.
Alright, me there I go now man say yo.
I say I would.
Then I say I go my boss, where I go? I say I go.
You want bet?
Alright.
Where I go, babe?
You know, say I don't shop this on me I go.
Oh.
What me think you that come in from last night? Do I want?
You know, say, I think them mum for go collect star. Them have a delay upon it star. So I just sleep over and know say, yo, I wait upon it in the morning, you see me?
But they could have at least call me.
Yeah, me WhatsApp you before my phone dead, you know.
Oh, you know, say me see message, but through me drop asleep.
So where I go buy?
I something I buy for cooking, you know. But 10 touri in a one. You know, you say Popeye breed care.
Where I say? Where I say? It just make me believe now. So much people are talk about it. Go and go do what you do. Me up a yard.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Me soon come.
Yeah, man.
Hi, honey.
Evening. Oh God. Why you look so? Oh, you must be tired. Oh God,
Babe.
man. Them a work you do?
Last night the boss told me I have to do overtime. They not even paying me as much to do it.
You know, so do me feel say you need to find one next job? Cause you not get to spend enough time with me. I'm right now, I feel like I'm ready for your baby.
Yeah, but babes, come on, we're not ready for no baby yet. But you know about no breakfast. I'm hungry now, man. The amount of work I do last night.
I know see you never dare go come home early, you know. So I never bother look on the breakfast. Me just cook dinner, rice and peas and something there around this for you. You want me go hit you up for you? Alright.
Alright.
You know, say I know me can't believe say I'm carry that. Shh, what? What's
Where
that?
are she for? You don't tell me that already. Still news that. You forget.
Ah, I think I only just tell me tell. Sorry.
Think of me alone, you tell. She look good still, you know. So it's a good look, you see me?
What do you
You
mean,
come
man?
go
But-
from
but-
the yard, you say, you know.
Alright, so I go back do.
You have to for deal with, man.
Alright, mash up your crime, yeah, mama. Yo. I feel me little bird that, you know. And me a plucky feather.
Where you tell me, say? Where you do forget all that girl then?
I just talk and it's swag, brother. It's style, you see me? You have to understand how you go. When you come on to woman world, you have to know how to angle it.
When we grow up, more and be just like you.
After you go, man, but tell put the S for my name, man. Popeye.
For Popeye.
Yeah,
Popeye.
yeah. I
Oh.
Popeye.
Oh, man, understand.
Yeah, man.
You know, say me I go down and me I go pick up something though.
Alright, don't say nothing, call me there. I go see if I find one next bird. Come here, hold it for them, you know.
Why you fly with one here?
Clear, man, you all like dash your money and phone. You know what? You
What's
get
that?
panic.
No, man, more I'm silver them, man. Where you talk, say?
Look at time, man. You say me have a little bird that go and they say nervous. See phone, them, man.
You're good, man. My phone drop out.
I tell you. Yeah, man. Alright, do roads.
I say, how Sexy Kerry.
Oh, go on.
See, I thought so like, you know, when somebody I got park and them something there.
No man, me ever at.
So you don't know, say, still want you.
You don't know, so me have a security man already.
I'm not talk about no man right now. You me I talk about no man.
Hello, remember say I only grow my family a little bit, you know?
Where you going, sir? I me a beer things boy, you know.
You hear things about
I
me?
mean, me say, a papa, I am papa. A papa, me say I run it off. You not even when all the man are dead. Me everything, it's stinking in the street.
How you really said to me? Me
Yeah,
and Papa?
I mean, if
Me?
no, you think I joke me, I make?
Of course, I have to joke this.
Papa is telling me, say, him sleep over with you. Papa is telling me everything.
Hello, Papa, I broke in key. That's how I end up sleep over my yard.
Nothing like that, me the right out there to stand up. I drink out my local juice and Papa is come and tell me everything. Me say, what you do run and say, man say, him sleep over with you. And look after that, we go on and Ray.
A lie, tell. Papa, I could have never tell you that.
Me first said, look, your Papa is just a coming at things now.
Anyways, come, we are going to the yard right now. Come.
You're still there.
What do you mean, man? There I go on reason.
So you're gone.
There, one juta get up and gone when gone and I and do it.
So you gone, man.
I never yet see you that man. You know, say me and you for there. Trust me.
Me
Yeah.
and you.
What you mean?
You remember when I tell lie on me? See, you get my front and you don't get nothing. You never see if me a man or a woman yet.
come on, Ashley B, man. In the days they were young, when they were pitney days, man. Man, a big man now, you know, man. No run them joke, them, man.
Said style in here.
No, I will never do that, man. Me a man of murder now, you are also. Give me a chance in your life, man. You are going
Yeah,
to.
which chance and I don't chance, yes, sir.
Done. You are also, man. Go on, girl.
Oh, me hear you talk about some me there.
Who said that?
You said so, Juta tell me.
You tell me, tell you that?
My you, not do me that, man. You tell me say you and the girl there.
When? How?
You
Ashley B,
think
put
in a
back that
whole
down your
place.
mouth.
It's
You
shot
tell
too
her
much,
that?
man.
Of course, it's stinking in a whole place.
Is it to lie? The one on, two on, liar.
Papa, stop. Because me know say you're a liar and so much people not tell lie upon you.
I lie to myself, family, then grudge me and bad mind me.
You tell me say, you tell me say I should be a year bird. Are you a pick or a feather? You lie, man.
Me tell you me I pluck the big yellow bird. Oh God, man, come on, Tita. You see, say you're liar now.
Stop it. You're a liar for you. A long time I know say I say stay. And you chat boy you change. You ever see color of my panty?
No. Me never pick your feather. I don't know what kind of feather you have, so I couldn't pick it. And, care, really and truly sorry for telling to me how you did. You know what Michelle and I said to you in the sleep. So, I learn a lesson today as a big man. Don't tell lie palm front because they will come back on you.
You know what? As friend today you see me, no deal with me.
So you're Moses, she could be.
You know say, me done in there too. Come here and share. Come here go look you now, yeah?
You see how you rasta?
Down with you.
You see how
You know what I hear we
you
ask?
come back and be having them a poke and you don't like to watch
No, there, yeah.
lie to. Hold on, mo. Me don't feel lie.
B,
Huh?
come lie down beside me, no?
I'm so coming in bed, man.
But you move stuff and you come here and move away. Come off your phone, man. Phone more important more than me, you know?
I'm so coming in bed. There's something I do with you. I say, 2 hours in our house.
Almost every night you go out.
I
And
know-
when you come here and I have no time now. And you come here on your phone.
I know say I'm a phone me use and work. Hold on, let me get one call. Yo. Yeah, night, yeah. Yeah, man, then anything, man. Me there in a few. Me a forward now, man. Alright. So me I tell you, one more work that night, yeah.
Every night you have work.
There's a them type of work can me do, either night or day.
You can't find some time for me.
How me I go make money?
So wait there. And when you have forward back, make sure you call me when you reach.
Me nah come back tonight, you know.
So that tell me so when you reach you call me.
Nah, morning me I come back. Yeah, man, no worry yourself.
It's glad to you not go work tonight, you know?
Glad to, man, because tired, you know.
You can't see it, man.
Babes, you think I'm normal something for me take up myself, good self, going to work, and I feel write down license plate and then something there. You know what, I wish we could have do something else, like just do something else or have my own business, have my own business or something.
You want to do something else? Come make a baby now.
You play too much, man. You know, so we're not ready for no baby, so nobody with foolishness.
But babes, remember, so we're married, you know, we're married.
Yes.
So, and then if we have a baby.
Yes, we're married. Yes, I'm in love you. You're a very beautiful wife. But baby right now is not it. We need to get out of here and build one little tiny house. I think we need to go tiny house settings and all.
Babes, another thing. You know, so I don't like the fact that now we no wearing.
Care.
Yes.
From the first day we married, we have an agreement so we now wear no ring. So no bother come with that. You no bother with it.
But I want to show off some I'm married. I want a ring on my finger.
You want to show off say you're married?
Yeah.
See boss will call me. Yeah, boss.
Yeah, you can't call lick me now.
You want me to do what?
You can't lick me, I wait for you. Stop there, so.
Boss, me can't come in tonight, man. Me have me grandmother have heart attack. Me can't come in tonight.
I wait. Alright.
Can't manage your work business, you know. See me, I have to tell a lie, boy. You look nice in your black dress, though.
Next time I tell you, say you need to get one next work.
One day, base. But you know, say boss, say, he might put on one extra $30,000 for me pay. Yeah, because one celebrity are coming tonight, so they want extra, and they know say me are the man for the job. You see me? And me run after, me know the grounds, me know the root of the grass. You see me?
Never mind, you go still now. But go on, cause we need the money. So, be safe, you know?
I'm just, you sure about that?
Yeah, go on.
I'm just getting in the mood for you, you know?
Babes, come on for me and go on, cause we need the money.
Alright. Alright. Alright, babes, don't worry yourself. That's why, but look, this is why I'm married, you know, because you're very understanding and you know the assignment. See? I never really want to go still, but. You see my shoes?
No. Wait, you take it off.
Babe, you see my belt?
Your belt in the hall.
My shoes are on?
Yeah, they're in there, so too.
Alright. Alright, I'll see you in the morning, alright? I'll see you tomorrow, baby.
Alright, bye. Love you.
Love you too, baby.
Hey. You have to go stop baby sinner. You know what I do?
What are you talking about?
You mean people can't sue you, anybody can't sue you or watch you and then something there.
Babes, you worry about the wrong things, man. I'm security, you know. I'm responsible for everybody around here, so. You see me? So I'm a very respectable man too. So come on. I start left earlier still. A little bit earlier. But don't worry yourself, man. Don't make nobody draw no scene. I'm gonna put on clothes.
Hurry up and go, hurry up and I remember something you promised me so when I get paid.
Babe, stop reminding me about that, man. You go get it. Stop
Make
reminding
sure
me
I
about
get it, me
that. Put on clothes, man. What you want me to do? Go put on clothes.
Carry something come.
Alright.
Shaka! Shaka Berry!
Oh yeah, come so I want
Oh, you move, so.
Oh me I move.
You don't see how you move? I see you with the Dan a while ago.
Which Dan?
No must see security.
Security.
The people them husband. We see you. I hug up and I push up. And look how me I beg you how long. I go on so if me not get none today, me a chat. The same day me a chat.
Well, here one, you can't go and go chat if you want to chat. Because first thing, nobody not believe you. Because everybody don't know so you're rob and lied already. You tell lie pan, man, dog, pussy, everybody you tell lie pan. So nobody not believe you. So go and go chat.
I tell them me know the whole community I go know. Me a liar, nobody not believe me.
You want one mic?
Me no want no mic, no worry your head.
Go on about your business.
I don't know, but I go to church and I take people husband. You got married.
I beg you, me not take you too.
Yes, me begs coming and get none of honey.
This is honey you bitter, you not gonna like it. Go on about your business.
Bitter, you have a right if you say bitter. People are gonna have it say me a pum pum fever till they wait.
Nah, follow you up, you know.
Morning, honey. You alright?
Yeah.
Tired, man. I'll cool off and all that fresh and go and sleep here.
So you know nothing to eat?
I feel nothing. I don't feel for nothing to eat.
Alright, babes, go and go lie down, yeah?
Alright.
Hello.
You see, me left my driver's license up there.
What you say?
You see, me left my driver's license up there. Look on the bed or something. I can't find my driver's license.
What you mean by you can't find your license?
If I see you just take up it from me here.
Alright. Me have to go hurry up, go down go look if me see.
Alright. Yo, me saying, man. Can't be saying money are so miserable. Yo, me call you later here.
Hear me out. Me know say yes with friendship done, but hear me out. You wanna say me a liar, right? Me are the biggest liar in the area. But you see the man who you love so much, him are one of the wickedest one you see.
Where
Him a
wicked
give
with?
away your cane to the slimmers up so.
What you mean cane and slimmers? What you talk about?
Me say out of Jutta house me see him a come from. With Jutta wife and Jutta no did it.
I lie, you tell me. No, my husband, he work hard. And he soon coming from
Work hard, you mean work hard for Jutta wife.
Me know say because you want me and me no want you, make you come tell lie for my husband. But you want mash up my marriage. Come out of my face, man.
Your marriage name mash up already, your marriage sink.
Lie you tell. Come out of my face and then lie yourself. You lie like.
Alright, tell them no believe.
What is someone else now doing it?
What's your babes? I never know see you come already.
So you did it?
So I go check one of my friend them.
So yeah, like you're tired.
I chose sun hat and I wear around so me I walk go.
Oh,
But cut off of that, me have good news to tell you.
you have something to tell me. I have something to tell you too. But tell me good news first.
Well, you know so me pregnant?
You're pregnant.
Yeah.
You're pregnant.
You're not happy?
Me never did tell you, you know. But you know, say, me can't breed nobody. Because me have low sperm count. My sperm count low.
What you mean you have low sperm count? So who breed me then?
That more I know. Because more I know what female lights not do in my bed. What female lights not do in my bed. Cover up under my sheet.
We are asking say, me don't know how to know that.
Me and this man in a par like that female lights in my bed.
Well, me don't know about that.
I suck more I know now. This more I know now.
When if I broke in away house?
Broke in our house.
Well, me don't know about that. How me know about that? Me don't know.
No go no further. Because I see it clearly now. See a idiot you take me for. You are breed for Kerem husband.
What? We
So
are
you know,
talk about?
I mean, so you know what we are going to do. We are going down to them yard.
We are going to people them go yard go do. We are polished out.
Just not say nothing, you know. Because I see, me don't want to go back to jail. And me don't want to affiliate no woman. You hear me say?
But me don't know where you are talk about. Me don't know how you reach it.
We are go down there, go polish it off.
You want to go down there? Me don't go down there people them here.
No, it's so clear. You show me clearly say you're the man in or something then.
No.
So come, we go polish it out then. Come, put on the shoes. Come. Me wanna go fuck come. This unsolved problem this. Forward. Come on, man.
Me a come.
Can't believe all them things you do. You do, me star. Come like a flap, you want to flap up, man, star. Laugh, you want people to laugh off me in the community.
What you mean more people to laugh after
What do you mean? Then if you go do certain things.
But me don't tell us I don't know what you talk about already.
Go on. Cause, yo, sometimes I can't even know. I don't like talking to you. Come I like get miserable, you know.
You don't know where you going so far, because I don't tell us something already. So where you going so?
Embarrass yourself.
Yeah, embarrass me. See, I spooling up on the road there.
Yo, care. You know, say, your husband I'm woman there, you know.
What you mean by your wife and my husband then?
What you mean by?
What you talk say?
Me come see your husband lying in my bed. Who this?
What?
Who this?
How
Me
you like
see
to reach in your bed?
cover up in my bed like him run off my place. Then I hear say, him pregnant off my wife.
What you just say?
I mean, hold this man. Your husband will breed on my woman. Yo, no. No, me deal with that man. Ease on yourself. Ease yourself. Me deal with that man. You hear me say? Just go into your husband. You hear me say? Go on into your husband, man.
Watch me and him.
Come in, man.
You see how you come, my girl, you come cause excitement and I don't tell us I don't know what you talk about already. And girl, I come talk if you ever make the room to touch me and see.
So you go on. So you know, just come take out your clothes, man. Just come go on.
Me not go nowhere no.
Just come. Just come take out your
Me
clothes.
not go nowhere no. I don't know what you talk about.
Yo, get up. Get up.
Babes, why is this attitude? What is attitude for?
I can't believe say a true papa idea tell. So see, they just carry ID. Come me out to do a fight like a maga girl over you. Get up, man. Yo, no tell me say you really go sleep with Jutta woman. You breed the girl. And make me out there so sweat up myself a fight girl over you.
What are you talking about?
Height of disrespect. They ain't carry license come give me?
Babe,
What?
I know say I lost my license. And I lie them a tell for me. I know say I left my license, I lost my license because I sleep, I say I sleep and then I go walk go look for it. Because I'm tired. And you come in here with this, babes. Look for me, you really think so I go make nobody a road laugh off of you?
And I lie them at tell because your papa ID can't tell me. No lie them
Papa?
at yes. You need to get your things and come out of my house.
Babes,
Hello, come out of my
You
house.
really are going to make people.
Are you mash up with marriage?
Babes,
You
for
should have
one,
think about what you do
listen,
before you
for
go do
one,
what you do.
Babes, listen to me now. Listen to me.
No,
Listen
no,
to me.
no.
Listen to me.
Hello,
Listen, babes.
hello, hello. Get things
Listen.
and
Listen. You can't listen to Papa. You can't listen to Papa. Papa is a mad.
So how you like to reach up a girl yard?
Babes, me license, me don't know how that reaches.
In a big man bed the license did there.
You know what? Just give me my license. If you want to believe them over me, just pack me things and put them for one taxi and send them up on mother. Cause me can't go.
Come out, man.
Me a big man.
Height of disrespect, boy. You have woman asleep with and God get woman pregnant. And look how long me a beg for your baby. Come out of my house, man. Sure.
Wow, go on, my general. Boy, look like in there. How things?
Yeah, I'm there, I go and hold it, man. So I go on with you a long time in the same place. Where did that?
We do a like a two-week tour of Amsterdam because, you know, you have to do road, you know, a music thing.
Oh, you go up on tour and everywhere locked down.
Bush part
Locked
lockdown.
them locked down.
Nah, man, at Jamaica alone up on lockdown, brother. You know what I mean? Do my thing and they are now going easy, you know, because the road have to burn up. But based on how you look, brother, warm to you. Because I know send us so. I know your vibes this and your energy this and.
You say right. I'm there in a stressful situation, you know. You see me? You don't know what say. Care man. I'm my woman a day. Man I'll breed her, my lad.
I hold a seat for that one. Brother, what you say I want? What you really say I want?
First thing, I come see man license in my bed. So I carry her go down there and make one bag of excitement, be a disgrace on the road. You see me? That, yo, this man, I put her out, man. She not in there again. I put her out this morning, brother. And they are so stressed out now, you.
Papa, I mean, you are going to come into my be a mix up, man.
Yes, everything is to me alive, no matter what we talk.
Hey, you may look fine now?
You don't
Boy,
call me lion.
Papa. Me sorry, so me didn't even believe you, you know.
So what happened now?
Hey, me find out say the truth you there tell.
How you find out?
Just a come down on me yard with my husband license in their hand, him and his woman.
So where you find the husband ID?
Now in their bed, look like my husband and film woman in a bed of saga.
All along me
But
things are in the bathroom.
boy, me sorry, so me never believe you, know. Even though you're lied, cause you tell lie for me something.
Alright, I'm sorry too, cause you shouldn't tell lie for you something. I'm sorry about that. You know what? The best thing ever happened to me, we change. Because I realize that nobody now gonna believe the truth when time we talk the truth. Cause see, so what happened, we can't tell her the truth. I didn't believe, so I'm sorry.
Alright, you know, I forgive you. But where you today?
It's probably down my yard, come go look for him.
Alright, forward.
Yo, know yourself, man. You see what happened to man, happened to men. You understand? Yeah. I just
Yo,
want
what
them
go
days.
on? You know, so me sorry about what happened. Cause while we are friends, we nothing live so. Half my husband breed for your woman.
Yo, everything good, man. You alright, man? I'm good, you see me? You don't know a certain life run, things do happen, you see me? And we are friends for real, you see? You know, if you're there with one other people and them something. Well, I'm good, man. Everything alright still, you see? Yeah, man.
See, your papa apologize to me, you know.
Yeah, man. You know, but I still not believe me still. You always say me a liar. Me say, are you first me want to come tell. But when me tell Karen not believe me, say, why should I go to Juta? You not gonna believe me. And you know, security always armed. That's why me name rush him. No worry, we are our friends and the lighting and everything done. Right, I say put on right. So can you tell me landlord? Me pay me landlord now, you know. Me not hide from him again. So that's why I see me turn up in the walk me, you know, me not have to hide, me can go back and run taxi again.
If you are listening to my voice, it simply means that you guys have watched the movie to the end. Thank you guys for watching as always. We love and appreciate every single subscriber that has subscribed to this channel, especially the ones that are official members. If you are living outside of Jamaica, it simply means that you have the opportunity to do a little bit more supporting than normal, meaning that you can be a member, a paid monthly member to the site. So there's a membership part there. Click on it and sign up and do the membership. It's not expensive. It's like the cheapest one is $2 per month. Some is $6. And I know you guys waste more than $2 sometimes. And it's for a worthy cause. We are actually trying to build the film industry in Jamaica. Because guess what? Jamaica is at, I would say, at a crisis spot right now in terms of crime and violence and on education. So what we aim to do as a set of people, as some grassroots people, what we are doing is we are making films that can impact and make changes in Jamaica. And not just that, we are building actors and actresses that for the future it can be something viable in terms of an income. So please support what we're doing, man. We are begging. It's simple. We are begging because I know from the start of we doing movies, we have been asking and begging for help. And now and then persons chip in here and there, and we really appreciate those persons that have actually contributed. And for it to keep on going on, we need all the contribution that we can get. We need more microphones. I mean, we need like a boom mic that costs almost 1,600 US. We need probably a better editing system that probably costs $2,000. We need some more lights. We need a gimbal that we can put the camera on so it can be more steady. So we need more equipment. And in reality, if I really calculate and tell you the truth, the amount of money that we need to invest in buying more equipment, it's like probably 15,000 US. That's the maximum that we need to get better equipment. Because we have a Black Magic, which is good and can give us excellent quality for like a Netflix or one of those streaming platforms. But the Black Magic alone just can't work by itself. It needs additional and probably another Black Magic. You need a bigger editing system. You need more other equipments to complement what we have already. But we can't do it alone. As I said, we are just some grassroots youth. Me, Fire, Popeye, Jutta, Alton, the entire team. We are just some regular, humble, poor Jamaicans who are just trying to make something out of nothing. But we only can do it with the support of you, because the revenue that is coming through YouTube is not something that we can brag about and say, oh yes, we're making a lot of money. We're just making enough that we can stay afloat, keep doing what we're doing, make sure we take care of food, take care of our actors to some extent. It's not like we're rich where we can pay out a whole heap of money to people. We're not making those type of money. But it is our best option in terms of doing stuff for YouTube. So we keep doing what we're doing while we can do the best what we do. So big up to everybody. Thanks to the entire team, Fire, myself, as I said, Jutta, Popeye, Alton, Shakaberry, Kira, who do the editing, Officer Smiley. And if I haven't mentioned your name, it's simply me just talk over the tip of my tongue. Candy, we can't forget Candy. Candy is one of the loyal persons, I would say. We're there with we are going pushing the work, you see me, and I make it happen. So big up on yourself. I know I have talked a lot at the end. I don't normally talk this long, but I have to make you know Jamaica is at a crisis place, and we need it to get better. For not just for ourselves, but for our generation to come. And the only way we can get better, a better country, is through alleviating poverty and fixing the education system. So big up on yourself, continue to do the best that you guys can do, because it as them say, take a village, but it starts at one person, and which is me, and then you, and then others. So big up on yourself, continue to support, all right?
Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. Keep on support Richard Brown Film, Jamaican Entertainment, And it's a pleasure, go over to Jutta Rhyme YouTube channel and subscribe, subscribe to Jutta Rhyme Viva. As in, bang, star of a shine with a distant punchline. Heidi, son of a different Messiah. I'm out.
Yeah, man, big up on yourself. You know what I mean? I'm big up on yourself right now. This is public report. Guess what? It's a big honor for know say when there support the thing. Thanks for there. Thanks for like. Thanks for shares. Thanks for subscribe and all these things. Public report with a K, official. You know what I mean? So go and check it out, and it's a Richard Brown Films team. Alright? Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. I don't know say a puppy done. Just I tell them say thank you for always support Richard Brown Films team and Jamie Wood. You see me? Continue watching the content them, continue sharing them, you see me? And go over my Viva, Puppy Dan Viva, and subscribe. Heart of love.
As you can see, we are at work, right? Yeah, do the graphics for the big boy Chuck. You see me, see it? So remember, big boy coming out. So subscribe, like, share to everybody.
How much you there now?
We are 15. So yeah, we are going normal. So big up to Public Report, Puppy Dan, Jutta Rhyme TV, Reality JA, Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, Originals, Alton Garden Originals, and subscribe. They are going the graphics.
Oh. Hold on, I see myself on the TV. Hold on. Oh, now watch me. Oh, sorry. Hey, thanks for watching Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood. But here I know we have a next platform. Reality JA, I'm there. Popeye 363 TV, I'm there. So if you want to see me, those two channels and Richard Brown, I will be there. When Big Boy I come out? 15.
We are work money.
We are work, man.
Oh, this week me make gonna laugh. And we have one new cast in a Big Boy. Now showing him yet. Just come along. Yeah. Troublemaker. So, all my folks overseas, please get your popcorn. Hope you enjoy this movie. And I need some of the popcorn, please.